Hello students, till now we have learned how to convert the given number system to decimal number system or from given decimal number system to any other number system. Okay, that means from decimal to another number system or from another number system into decimal number system. Okay, so now we'll see how to convert or converting from any other number system into any other number system which is except or other than decimal. Okay, that means we need to convert binary to octal or octal to hexadecimal to binary, like that. Okay, so we'll see how to convert any other number system into any other number system which is exceptional of decimal. Okay, so in order to convert any other number system into another number system, we need to follow two steps. So what are the two steps? First, we need to convert the original number to decimal number. Okay, for example, now I want to convert any hexadecimal number into binary. So what will be the first step? I need to convert that hexadecimal number system into decimal first. Then I need to convert that decimal number system into new number system, that is to binary. Okay, so now we'll see how to convert any given or any other number system into other number system. So what are the two steps? First, we need to convert the original number to decimal number. Then we need to convert that obtained decimal number system into another number system. Okay, so in this example, I want to convert the given octal number system into binary. Okay, so 273, which is of type octal, that needs to be converted into binary. So what will be the first step that we need to follow? First, we need to convert this 273 into decimal. So how to convert any number which is any number system to decimal? That needs to be multiplied. Okay, so we'll see how to convert this octal number into binary. So in order to convert any octal number into decimal, first we need to do 2 into 8 because we are working with octal. So that 2 into 8 plus 7 into 8 plus then 3 into 8. What we have to do now? First we need to give the weightage. 8 power 0, 8 power 1 and then 8 power 2. Okay, any number system into decimal, in the sense we need to multiply with respective number systems base or radix. Okay, so that 2 into 8 plus 7 into 8 plus 3 into 8, and then we need to give the weightage from right to left. So that 8 power 0, 8 power 1 and then 8 power 2. Okay, then 2 into 8 into 8 is nothing but 64 plus 7 into 8 plus 3 into 1. Why? Because any number with weight 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, 64 into 2 is nothing but 128. 128 plus 7 8s are 56 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, so what we have to do now? Now we need to sum up all the three values. 128 plus 56 plus 3. So we are going to get 187 of base 10 because in first step we have converted the given original number to the decimal number system. Okay, so now what we have to do? Convert the decimal number system to new number system. So what is the new number system? That is binary. I need to convert given decimal number system into binary. How to convert the decimal number system into binary? So decimal to binary or decimal to any another number system is nothing but divide. Okay, so if you are going to get decimal as a first word, then that needs to be divide. Okay, decimal to any other number system in this sense, that means division. Okay, we need to divide this 187 by 2 because we need to convert this decimal number system into binary. So that in second step we need to divide the given decimal number system or obtained decimal number system into binary. Okay, so that needs to be divided by 2. Okay, which is multiples of 2. 2 9s are 18, then 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So what will be the remainder? 1. Okay, then 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. so we are left out with 1. Then this becomes 13. Then 2 6 are 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. Okay, so 46 into 2 is nothing but 92. Then remainder will be 1. Again 2 2s are 4, then 2 3s are 6. We are left out with 0. Okay, remainder will be 0. Again 2 1s are 2, then 2 1s are 2. Remainder will be what? 1. 1 into 2 is 11 into 2 is 22. 23 minus 22 is 1. So that remainder will be 1. Then 2 5s are 10. Remainder will be what? 1. Then 2 2s are 4. Remainder will be 1. Then 2 1s are 2. Remainder will be what? 0. Okay, so we cannot divide 2, so that 0. The remainder will be what? 1. So this is MSB, this is LSB. Okay, so in order to write any value which is obtained by binary number system, that needs to be followed from MSB to LSB. Okay, so this way we have to write the answer. So that 273 base 8, that is octal number system, is equivalent to binary value of what? 10110111. Okay, 10111011. What is the base or radix? 2. Okay, so this is how you can convert any given number system to another number system. In all the types, we need to convert the given or original number to decimal first, then we need to follow the conversion of decimal to any other new number system. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to follow. So now we'll see another example. Now I want to convert the given binary number system into hexadecimal number system. Okay, what is the first step? First we need to convert the given binary number system into decimal. Any number system into decimal in the sense we need to multiply. Okay, so that 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. So this one I am taking 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus then 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Okay, now I need to assign the weightage from 0 to n. That means 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, then 2 to the power 3, 4 and 5. So what will be the output? 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that means 32. Okay, plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 is nothing but 16 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but 8. So 0 with any number is 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 is 1. So 1 into 1. Okay, so 32 into 1 is 32 plus 16 into 1 is 16 plus 1 into 8 is 8 plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, 10, 11, then 11 plus 32 plus 16. Okay, so what will be the output? You are going to get 59. So totally we are going to get 59 of base 10. Okay, so this is the obtained decimal number system. Then this decimal number system needs to be converted into new number system, that is hexadecimal. How to convert any decimal to another number system? Division. Okay, so then this 59 must be divided by 16, because we need to convert this decimal number system into new number system is nothing but hexadecimal. So that radix or base of hexadecimal is 16. Okay, so 16 3s are 48. So 58 minus 59 minus 48 is nothing but 11. Okay, so the remainder will be 11. We cannot divide this 3 by 16, so that 16 zeros are, then remainder will be what? 3. So once we get the 0 as a quotient, then we have to stop the division. Okay, so from MSB to LSB we have to write. So as you all know that 13 is nothing but what? B. the equivalent value of hexadecimal number system is B. Okay, so if it is A in the sense, that will be 10. If it is 11, then that will be B. So then what will be the output? 3B of base what? 16. Okay, so the equivalent value of this binary number system into hexadecimal is 3B of base 16. Okay, so in order to convert any other number system into any other number system, in first step we need to convert the given number system into decimal, and then we need to follow the conversion of decimal to the next or new number system. Okay, thank you.